it's me, the new Be a Mermaid and Make Waves eyeshadow palette. So today, Allison is going to show you a super cool look using me. Let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I'm going to show you the look that I got on my faces, more specifically my eyeballs, using our Be a Mermaid and Make Waves eyeshadow palette, our latest and greatest. You guys freaked out in my Pisces tutorial and were like, oh my god, is that a new palette? And this is the tutorial you're giving us? So if you want to learn how to get this look on my eyeballs, then keep watching. So this palette is dirty because I use it quite often. It has 14 matte and metallic shades and they are so beautiful. I feel like there's so many wearable shades, but then also some like pops of color if you're feeling risky. So I'm gonna take this shade right here first, Sandbar, and buff that into my crease and blend upwards. All right, next I'm gonna take the shade Shipwreck and I'm gonna outline my crease. And I'm looking down at my palette so I can see my entire lid space. I'm also using a light hand because you can always add, but you can't necessarily take away. So a little tip for you guys. Now I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to put this shade Shell Yeah all over the lid. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this top shade Nude Beach and I'm going to put that just right in the center. Just for a little pop. And then blend it. And same on the other side, the other eye. And then also on the inner corner. I'm not really wearing much foundation right now. I'm actually not wearing foundation. I'm taking a Shipwreck, the shade we use in our crease, and putting on my lower lash line. I'm actually not wearing foundation. I'm wearing our BB tinted primer, which I've really been liking. The cleaning crew is here, so they're like vacuuming and doing the garbages. So if you hear vacuums like whoosh, 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 obviously you know what a vacuum sounds like. You didn't mute that. Who's texting me? I'm going to take a little bit of our Maneater self-sharpening liner and just kind of smudge it on my lash line just so that it hides the lash band. Now for lashes, I'm going in with our cruelty-free lashes. These are vegan cruelty-free lashes in the style Center of Attention. So what's great is these are cruelty-free. They're not made from fur of any sort because we love our fur babies here, but they're still super fluttery. In our lash glue, I'm using our Tarte lash adhesive in clear. This is also latex-free and formaldehyde-free. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. All right, so now I'm just going to apply it with our little lash helper. That helps, I promise. You put it on and it's blue, and then when it's pretty much clear, that's when you put it on your eye. So when it's pretty much dry so that it already is super tacky and sticks right on your eye. Because when you put it on and it's still wet, then it kind of just slips around. You know the deal. It's all over your eye and then you're like, ah! Alright, so that's it. So super quick, super easy, only using a couple shades from this guy. I tried to stay away from the blues. I really wanted to use the blues, but I just used them in my Pisces tutorial. So if you want to learn how to get a blue eye look, just watch like half of the Pisces tutorial because then the rest I, put it all over my face. But But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if you guys ordered this baby yet. It is so pretty. Look at the packaging. Just like the packaging alone, like come on. And until next time, I will see you guys super soon. Bye. It's been a long day, guys.
It's been a long day.